Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 350. Create, delete, and rename objects in VS Code. Continuing our series on the Power Platform Tools extension for VS Code, in this tip, we'll look at how you can create, delete, and rename certain website components directly in VS Code Desktop. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Once you've downloaded a Power Pages site, using either the Pack CLI or the actions in VS Code, the Power Platform Tools extension offers the ability to create, rename, or delete web pages, content snippets, web files, page templates, and web templates. To create new components, right-click on a file or folder to access the context menu, select Power Pages, and choose the type of object that you want. Alternatively, use Ctrl-Shift-P to access the command palette and search for Power Pages, all one word, to select the command for your desired component type. After choosing the component type, you'll be prompted for 1 to 3 parameters needed to create the component. Once you've finished, you need to use the upload command to push your changes to Dataverse. To use the renaming and deleting capabilities, rename or delete the main YAML file associated with the component. Then upload your site to push your changes to Dataverse. I've seen mixed results with this functionality. Sometimes components deleted locally aren't deleted from Dataverse after upload, so I've had to re-download the site to perform the delete operation again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 350 on create, delete, and rename objects in VS Code useful.